Good morning, folks. Welcome to Quantsapp. This is Vicky Sajnani. Let's get started with the morning market brief. 17,776 is where we shut shop on Nifty 50 futures. 105 points gains. 41,531.26% gains was Nifty Bank futures. Let's see where the SGX Nifty is pointing to this morning. Pointing to a 55-point cut. That's what we are witnessing as of now. So looks like a tepid start for possibly for the NSE Nifty futures. Well, looking at the charts, you have 17,800 and 18,000 as the two major levels. 18,150 is, of course, another pivotal resistance. On the lower side, you have 17,500, 17,345, 17,200 as the major levels. It's at a critical point. Look at the RSI also, how it positioned. So let's see how that pans out during the day. I think 17,345 is going to be the litmus test for the overall trend as such. So we saw some amount of short covering and much of it has been always short covering kind of cycle. So there are no longs which have erupted so far. Looking at the open interest from options end, you have 17,800, 18,000 and 17,900, all three strikes having reasonable call OI. So that's going to be a bundled resistance out there. And on the lower side, you have 17,500 as a major put OI strike and 17,400 also. So that's going to be the support zone as such. Well, looking at BankNifty, pivotal resistance close to 42,000. That's what we have highlighted. So I think that's going to be a crucial point. A surpassing of that, also closing above that, can lead it to higher trajectory. But as of now, it's in a confused situation. So the pressure, considering SGX Nifty pointing to a negative start, there could be pressure, negative pressure on BankNifty also. 40,000 and of course, it's quoting close to 41,500. So major support is around 41,000 and 39,597. Resistance being 42,000, 42,500. So we have seen only small number of shorts. Much of it has been long unwinding kind of situation in case of BankNifty. Well, looking at the options open interest, you are seeing 42,000 as a pivotal level. Intermittently, we are seeing 41,500. So that's that, considering the ideal price or fair price of the weekly futures as such. So you're seeing 41,500, 42,000 as the two major levels, 41,000 as the major level on the lower side as far as put OI is concerned. Top gainers and losers, MGL, Adani Enterprises, FSL are the top gainers. Z Limited, Britannia, Dal Bharat are the top losers. Well, IT contributed 29.10 positive points to Nifty. Private banks contributed 12.96 points positively. Oil contributed 17.49 points. Much of the sectors were in positive except for cap goods, metal and cement. That had a negative contribution, and out of which metal had a minus 5.4 points negative contribution. Looking at the build-ups, sectorally, power, oil, cap goods. On the long side, you have pharma also on the long side. Media, metal, cement on the short side. Auto, IT, NBFC on the short covering end. You have PSU Banks on the long unwinding end. One of the stocks on the radar, by the way, much of these tools, some of them are available on Quantsapp. In fact, all of them are available on Quantsapp, but some of them are available for free. And you could, iCard could pop up, which could suggest you how to register for this. Free tools as such from Quantsapp. So you have BHEL stock, which could, it is the resistance, intermittent resistance could be close to 78. So a surpassing of that range can lead it to 85 plus levels. So we have 83.85 as the resistance point. The two resistances are 80 and 83.85. Supports being close to 70 and 66.55. BHEL, as far as futures wise concerned, not much is emanating there. You're seeing some amount of longs, but then that the open interest is marginal as such. So let's look at the open interest from options end. You have 80, which has a substantial call OI. As I pointed out earlier on also, that 80-75 range is pivotal. So that's what it's portraying as of now. And 70 happens to be a strong support zone as far as put OI is concerned. Next major level is 65. The other stock on the radar is AuBank. So AuBank, you have 630 as the resistance point and 653 looks positive above 625 levels. And supports being around 600 and 585, 584 levels. So look at the RSI positioning also, the trend line of the RSI. AuBank, series of longs coming in one after another. So let's see how this evolves during the day. You have call OI at 650. That's a substantial call OI, and 600 is the put OI. So that's going to be the pivotal levels for the counter, AuBank. None stocks in the ban list. Before I wrap up the session, I would like to highlight to you, please consult your financial advisor before trading in derivatives, and please follow strict stop losses while trading in derivatives. Well, that's it from my side. Wish you happy trading and all the best.